Hello guys! Good morning, good morning! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, mag-haul and review tayo sa ating new collection for today. This is our new collection, our lingerie panties. So without further ado, let's begin. Hanapin natin yung ano. Ayan. Ito pala ay nagkakahalaga siya ng, hanapin natin yung halaga. Agoy, walang halaga. Wala dito. Wala dito ang halaga niya. Pero ano lang po ito, mga 80 plus. 80 plus pesos lang po ito. So, ating buksan na. So, this is my new collection. Oh no! This is so beautiful. Look at this lingerie panty. Look at this. Wow! Nice! Beautiful! And see-through. So, tingnan natin ang kanyang quality. Wow, nice naman siya. Yung lace niya, napakaganda. Very stretchable. Pati yung sa kanyang pagtahi, ang ganda ng tahi. So, tingnan natin. Size, ay, small pala ito. Bakit ganun? Wala akong in-order na small. Ang alam ko, medium or large ang aking in-order. So, ang composition ng kanyang material is polyamide and 10% elastin, 90% polyamide and 10% elastin. So, yun po ang kanyang composition. Napakaganda ng tahi. Very nice. Good quality. At yung kanyang, look at this clothes. So, may nakalagay dito. Meron siyang small amount ng cotton. Pero ito ay itong panty. Yan mo, hygienic liner for fitting purpose. Remove after purchase. See, kita, dispia, the components, and lever, appear, chat, ambot sa langaw. Ayan po, ang ganda niya. Very nice. Pati yung quality, napakaganda. Ang kanyang material, maganda po, malambot at madulas. Hindi po siya makati. Meron kasi makati siya. At yung style niya, wow, so elegant. Look at this. Tingnan mo naman yung ano niya, oh. Ang ganda ng style niya. Very nice, oh. So, this is my new collection for today. Look at that. So nice. This is itong panty. Kaya dun sa mga may almo, sorry na lang. Pero kung kaya naman ang lakas ang loob niyo at kaya niyong gawin, ay go, go, go. Ayan, oh. Ganda talaga. The quality is good. The style so elegant and sexy. The material, oh, lahat siya ay maganda. So, kung i-rate natin itong 1 to 10, wow, bigyan natin siya ng perfect 10 na rating. So, this is sexy see-through tong panty. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.